Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Hope you're all doing well, right? Okay, today Thursday. You already know that, right? We have completed our portions. Today we are recall the September month portions only. You have to just recall the September portions lessons and you have to read it well. Okay, students, are you all happy? Yes. Had your breakfast? Okay. Tomorrow you have a test. Okay. Don't forget you have to prepare for your test through the recall session. Let me start. Yes. My native place. Right. My native place. We recall from second unit, my native place. I love my native place. Do you? Yes. Here the topic is trip to my grandparents' village, right? Trip to my grandparents' village. Here, Santosh S. Santosh is the main character of the lesson. Santosh and his diary. About his diary, right? Okay. And Santosh vacation thing is he he going to the grandparents' house. So he has to write about his vacations. Yes, let me recall the glossaries first. Eager means keen. Keen. Vacation, holiday. Vacation, holiday. Numerous, many in number. Numerous means many in number. Threshing, separating grain from crops. Threshing means separating grain from crops. Enchanting, attractive. Enchanting, attractive. Expert, well skilled. Expert, well skilled. And let us understand. Match the following. Cuckoo sings. Cuckoo sings. Breeze flows. Breeze flows. River flows. River flows. Fish swims. Fish swims. You already write the 2 mark questions in your note. Okay. You have to read the 2 mark questions. Okay, students. Then let us build. Let us build. Let us learn some more tips to change singular to plural. You already know singular and plural. Try this. Okay. I'm a lion. I'm a lion. I am a lion. I am a lion. Here they have 2 lines, right? We are lines. We are lines. Here line is singular, lines you have to add s, right? It is plural. And then change f and fe into vs. Here leaf, the spelling leaf, leaf, it's changed as leaves. It is plural. Leaves, leaves, leaves. And then knife, it is singular, nife, knife, singular form, and it changed as plural, that is knives. KNIVES, we have add the VES. We have to remove the FE from singular. We have to change it as plural. VES, we have to add that, right? Then by changing their vowels such as OO to EE and AN to EN. See, tooth. Tooth is a singular word. TOOTH. Tooth. Singular changed as plural as E. TEETH. Teeth. And then foot. Foot is a singular form. FOOT. Foot. Here's plural form feet. 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 And then here woman. woman. WOMAN, woman. Here two women are here, so women. In plural form, women. WOMEN, woman. Here woman is a single woman. Here double woman, right? So it is a plural form and it is singular. And then man, men. Single man is called as man, 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 and their group of people is there, right? So it is men, MEN, men. Here third one is irregular plurals. Irregular plurals. Child, children. Here single child is called as child, and here two childrens. CHILDREN, children. Here ox, one ox, and here two ox, right? Oxen, oxen. And mouse, mouse changed as plural, mice, 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 mouse, mice. And some nouns are identical in both the singular and the plural forms. Many of these are names of animals. See, sheep, SHEEP, sheep. It is changed as plural and singular is the same spellings. Okay, SHEEP. Some animals it have a both singular and plural forms. Okay, and then deer, 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 and it is plural also, deer, DEER. And then add es for some words ending with o. Add es for some words ending with o. Tomato, tomato. Here es, we have to add es. Tomatoes, TOMATOES, tomatoes. And potato, here potatoes, POTATOES, potatoes. And then look at the picture and tick the correct plural word. Here loaf, loaves, LOAVES, loaves. Fish, fish. Goose, geese, goose, geese. And then mouse, mice, mouse, mice. Child, children, child, children. Man, men, man, men. And then leaf, leaves. Mango, mangoes. Here former friends poem, right? Let me read the poem once again. Often seen as filth, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth, plucks the soil before farmer. Use not the chemicals to harm her. Please prize our mother's land armor. Shy to show his looks, toils often on fishing hooks. To give the fisher something to cook, be humble like a worm. Think no one to harm. You will be free to spread your charm. Yes. And then glossaries. Filth, dirt, ugly, dirt, ugly. Plucks, tills, plucks, tills. Humble, not proud, humble, not proud. Toils, work extremely hard, work extremely hard. Harm, make physical injury, make physical injury, make physical injury. Match the rhyming words. Filth, wealth, filth, wealth. Cook, look, cook, look. Charm, harm, charm, harm. Armor, farmer, armor, farmer. Then fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks. It plucks the soil before farmer. It is used in the fish's hooks. We don't use chemicals in the soil. Be humble like a worm. Okay, you already write the 2 marks questions in your note, right? So you have to read your note and then let us know. Continuous tense is a category of verb tenses. Here we will see the past continuous tense. You all know forms of verbs. Those are present tense, past participle and present participle. Present go, goes. Past went. Past participle gone. Present participle going. The present participle form is used in the past continuous tense with auxiliaries was or were. Come, let us use it. I was going to home. I was going to home. You were going to home. We were going to home. And they were going to home. He was going to home. She was going to home. It was going to home. Here, you, we, they. We have to verb were plus ing form. Verb plus ing form. Here, verb v1, where. Where is the verb 1 and he is the verb 2, right? So, in the above examples, you can see the main action is in present participle form. Present participle form for all the subjects and the auxiliary alone changes. Was is used for I, he, she and it. Where is used for you, we and they. Here see, was is used for I, was is used for I, he, she and it. Where is used for you, we and they. And then give the correct verb form for following sentences. I was reading the poem. I was reading the poem. They were writing the poem. They were writing the poem. It was going to Delhi. It was going to Delhi. And then fourth one is she was drawing a picture. She was drawing a picture. We were eating fruits. We were eating fruits. He was watching movie. He was watching movie. You were making lunch. You were making lunch. Let us see when to use the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. At some point in the past. At some point in the past. I was writing my homework at 5 p.m. yesterday. I was writing my homework at 5 p.m. yesterday. Parallel actions is there. So it is. What was your brother doing then? Here she replied, when I was writing my homework, he was watching TV. He was watching TV. Then interrupt. Interrupted action in the past. Interrupted action in the past. As when I entered his house, his mother was reading newspaper. His mother was reading newspaper. Write what they were doing at 5 o'clock yesterday. 5 o'clock yesterday. I was playing. I was playing. It is the past tense. Okay. So I was playing cricket with my friends. My mother was watching TV. My mother was watching TV. We were eating mango. We were eating mango. My friends were riding their bicycle. My friends were riding their bicycle. Mohan was writing a letter. Mohan was writing a letter. The bell was ringing loudly. The bell was ringing loudly. See and write. See and write what they were doing. Here they give three pictures. We have to write about the pictures. Use past tense. Okay. While I was writing, here the girl doing writing work. He was sleeping. Here the boy was sleeping, right? While I was writing, he was sleeping. And second picture is, while the boy was playing, the girl was reading. While the boy was playing, the girl was reading. And then, while my mother was cooking. While, here see this, the both are cooking, right? While my mother was cooking, my father was chopping. And then, now we are going to see the further future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, you all know forms of verb. Those are present, past, past participle and present participle. Go, goes, went, gone, going. The same present participle form is used in the future continuous tense with auxiliary will be. Will be is the auxiliary word. Come, let us use it. I will be going to home. I will be going to home. You will be, here they use you, we and they, he, she, it. All those things, it future tense will be plus ing. Will be plus ing we have to use. Okay. You will be going to home. We will be going to home. They will be going to home. He will be going to home. She will be going to home. It will be going to home. Okay. Then, give the, here see, in the above examples we can see, right? Then the main action is in present participle form, and the auxiliary is will be is used for all the subjects. Give the correct verb form for following sentences. I will be waiting for you. I will be waiting for you. They will be coming. They will be coming. It will be playing. It will be playing. She will be swimming. She will be swimming. We will be walking. We will be walking. He will be doing. He will be doing. And you will be talking. Sorry, you will be taking. You will be taking leave. You will be taking a leave. Okay, students, are you all clear? You have to read the passage again, and tomorrow test you have to read all the passage like September portions. Okay. Okay, it's a monthly test. You have to write September portions. Tomorrow test, in last class what we have seen in these two lessons. Okay. In, yes, the Legends of Jaswant Khar is the test portion. Okay, you have to today read and write well test. Tomorrow you have the test from the Legend of Jaswant Khar. Yes, this is the test portion tomorrow. You have to read it well. Okay, this the September portion test, monthly test conductor, right? That time you have to write all the September portions lessons. Okay, students, keep safe at your home. Thank you. Keep safe at your home.